Hello YouTubers. I'm looking at the airflow coming from the HVAC vent in my son's bedroom. As you can see, he doesn't get enough air to actually cool the room. I've tried adjusting duct dampers throughout the house, but that doesn't make enough difference. So I've decided to add an inline booster to that HVAC duct. The duct is on the end of the main plenum, as far from the furnace blower as it can get in our house. The damper is opened all the way. I put a couple arrows on it to indicate the direction of airflow. And then it has a drop in it there, all the way by the back of the house. And over there in the corner, it goes up all the way up to the second floor, where it comes out into my son's bedroom. Well, it has really wimpy performance. It gets like no airflow up in that room, so I'm going to add an airflow booster in the line here, right at that joint where the X is. So I have to pull that length of pipe out, that length of the duct pipe out to there, and shorten it so that I can fit that booster in line there. I already took several screws out here, sheet metal screws. These are moving. I have to work these apart. This is the airflow booster that I'm installing. It should fit right into the 6-inch duct. And so there's a fan on the inside that spins and boosts the movement of the air in the ductwork. And hopefully that will be enough to increase the cooling up on the second floor. I got this thing off of Amazon. It got good reviews. The only thing I don't like is that it's not UL listed or ETL. It's CE listed, which means it's listed to the European standard, not to the American standard. But I'm thinking for my purposes here, this should be good enough. This crimped end really doesn't fit. And I'm actually kind of surprised to find that both ends on this inducer fit inside the pipe on the uncrimped end. So I think that's how I'm going to have to do it. Okay, I'll show you some screenshots from Amazon that will help explain these issues I'm having with fitting the duct booster to the actual 6-inch duct. By the way, I'm including links in the description for the devices I'm using. Here we can see the outside diameter of the duct booster is 5.90 inches. Well, that's approaching 1/8 inch smaller than the nominal 6-inch duct diameter. So that pretty much explains why it doesn't fit the way I was assuming it should. But why is it made this way? Well, it's made this way because it's intended to be used with their flexible ducts. Here are some of the specs on the AC Infinity flexible duct. An example of how their flex duct can be used. The AC Infinity duct booster is intended to be used in HVAC systems. It has a ball bearing motor that's rated for 67,000 hours, so it should last a long time. It comes with a power cord which includes a fan speed controller. It's got a off switch, low to medium to high variable speed controller. There's a screw-on connector that connects the speed controller to the blower unit. All in all, this appears to be a good quality HVAC booster that should serve the purpose for a very long time. It's also very smooth and quiet. It's too far. I don't want to go that far because it'll cut this wire eventually. Alright, let me do this. I'll leave like a 1/2 inch here. One and 7/8. I'm gonna go . Yeah, that's good. It's a black mark, so you can't see it. It's okay, it's just for measuring. And how far will I put this end in? Can put it quite far in. But I don't want it to overlap this plaque on here, which sticks out a bit. There we go. So right to there. And that is 2 1/4. And that's, oh, so let me mark 2 1/4. So the length of pipe I need to remove will be between these 2 marks. And they are 4 5/8. 3 5/8. I'm measuring to the 1 inch mark. So 3 5/8. So I'm marking off 3 5/8 inch marks around the circumference of this pipe. There's one there, there. I'll put another one here. There. That's going to be my cut line. Just going to join these marks with a piece of tape. That's pretty good. That way I can just follow the edge of the tape when I cut. That'll work just fine. You're wondering, the tape I used on that is FlexFit, GUL listed for Class 1 duct. I'm not sure if that's the class of duct that I'm working with, but it definitely is listed, and it sticks and holds tightly on that duct, that HVAC duct. This is the flow direction on the blower unit itself. The airflow booster. this way a little. Kind of twist. Hold it. Hold it. Just up and line it up. Need something to shoehorn it. Back towards you. This way, touch. Push it. Push. Yeah. Oh, nice. Hang on now, let me get the cardboard out so it'll not be so tight. That's it. Now hang on, let me get these screws in before you get down. Oh, there's two of them. Quite far enough. Push a little more. Okay, hold it. That should do it. Nice. So this video has gotten very long. If you've hung in there with me, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to end it here and make a part 2 about installing and setting up a controller for this new HVAC booster. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one.